morning, class. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I am your teacher. My name is Lexley Salonga. You can call me Teacher Lex, and our subject for today is all about mathematics. Before we proceed to our discussion, allow me to share you some video presentation to somehow boost your energy. It has something to do with our lesson later on, so I hope you will listen carefully. Are you ready?
Magandang araw mga bata! Bago natin simulan ang ating aralin ngayong araw, magsimula mo tayo sa isang motibasyon. Handa na ba kayo? Magaling! Kung handa na kayo, halina't tumayo at sabayan niyo ako.
Play with numbers. Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. 1, let's think about it. 2, scissors. 3, I'm okay. 4, I can comb my hair. 5, go high five. Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. 5 and 1.
I can write numbers.
5 and 2, cut it, oops. 5 and 3,
Use a board.
5 and 4, to make up. 5 and 5, clap your hands.
Magaling!
Since you're already in 3rd grade, I am confident that you can already count up to 3 digits number. Am I right? Very good. So now, to recall your memorization, let us start with a simple example by counting by 1, by 10, and by 100 until we reach the 1,000. Are you ready? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's do it by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. How about by 100? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Very good. Remember, when we have 3 digits number, we call it hundreds. Here is the example. Let us count the digit. First digit, second digit, third digit, 3-digit number, we call it hundreds. However, when we have 4 digits number, we call it thousands. Let us count the digit. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, 4 digits number, we call it thousands. Remember that putting number together is what we call addition. Here are the different symbols that we will use in addition. When you see this cross sign, you would see plus. Again, when you see this cross sign, you would see plus. However, when you see this equal sign, you would see equal to. It is placed between two things that are the same or equal. And the answer in the addition is what we call sum. Again, the answer in addition is what we call sum. Let us now proceed to the simple example. You can see here in this example, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. The two numbers that we add together is what we call addends. Again, the two numbers that we add together is what we call addends. However, the 2 which is the answer to the addition is what we call sum. Again, the 2 which is the answer to the addition is what we call sum. Now class, can you answer this question? What is the 3 and 2 symbolizes in this equation? Very good, it is the addends. How about the 5 which is the answer in addition? Very good, it is the sum. Since addition is already clear to you, let us now try to add 2, 3, and 4 digits number. Are you ready? Excellent! Let us start! Okay class, remember when we are adding 2 digits number in this form, we always start with the last digit. Let us try. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Therefore, 35 plus 11 is equals to 46. How about 100 plus 200? Again, we start with the last digit number. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Therefore, the answer to the equation 100 plus 200 is equals to 300. Very good. How about 2,500 plus 2,022? Again, we start with the last digit number. 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. And 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Therefore, 2,500 plus 2,022 is equals to 4,522. Excellent! Well done, class! Now, let us proceed to the finding of GCF, or what we call the greatest common factor. G stands for the greatest, which means the biggest, largest, and highest. C stands for the common, which means the share, have the same and be like, and F stands for the factor, which means the two numbers that can be multiplied together to get another number. For today's discussion, I will teach you on how to find the greatest common factor using the different kind of methods. Introducing the listing method, tree method, ladder method, and Venn diagram method. Find the GCF, or the numbers that can be divided to the given numbers, is in the listing method. Let us try to find the GCF of 24 and 36 using the listing method. The first step we need to do is to list down the given number, which is the 24 and 36. And then, let's find their factors. Let us begin with 24. Take note that all numbers that can be divided with 24 are considered as factors of 24, such as 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6 are all equal to 24. The same thing with the next given number. All numbers that can be divided with 36 are considered as factors of 36, such as 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6 are all equal to 36. The next thing we need to find is the common factors, or the numbers that are the same between the two. There are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And the greatest among them is the number 12. Therefore, the GCF of 24 and 36 is none other than 12. The next method we were going to use is the ladder method. Simple technique that uses prime numbers and visualization in the form of straggling lines is what we call the ladder method. Now, let us try to find the GCF of 36 and 120 using the ladder method. The first step we need to do is to list down the given number, which is the 36 and 120, and let us draw this ladder or the division sign to start the solving. Take note that the prime numbers we were going to use is always start with 2, then 3, 5, and 7. Let us start. What is the prime numbers that is divisible with 36 and 120? Yes, it is 2. 2 divided by 36 is equals to 18, and 2 divided by 120 is equals to 60. How about the prime number that is divisible by 18 and 60? Yes, it is still 2. 2 divided by 18 is equals to 9, and 2 divided by 60 is equals to 30. How about the prime number that is divisible by 9 and 30? Yes, it is 3. 3 divided by 9 equals to 3, and 3 divided by 30 is equals to 10. The next step we need to do is to collect the divisor or the numbers outside the ladder or the division sign, and we just need to multiply them. 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Therefore, the GCF of 36 and 120 using the ladder method is 12. Also, here in ladder method, we can find the LCM by just multiplying the numbers, all the numbers outside the ladder sign, which are the 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 10 is equals to 360. Therefore, the LCM of 36 and 120 is equals to 360. The next method is the tree method. Tree is an intuitive method to understand the factors of a number. It shows how all the factors have been derived from the number. Now, let us try to find the GCF of 36 and 48 using the tree method. The first step we need to do is to list down the given number, which is the 36 and 48. Then we start with 36. What are the factors of 36? Yes, it is 3 times 12. Since 3 is already a prime number, we proceed to the factors of 12, which is 2 times 6. Again, 2 is a prime number, so we proceed to the factors of 6, which is the 2 times 3. The next given number is 48. What are the factors of 48? It is 4 times 12. What are the factors of 4? It is 2 times 2. And what are the factors of 12? It is 2 times 6. And since 2 is already a prime number, we proceed to the factors of 6, which is 2 times 3. Both given numbers we have is 2, 2, and 3. And we just need to multiply the 3 and we will get the GCF. 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Therefore, the GCF of 36 and 48 using the tree method is 12. Now, let us try to find the GCF of 24 and 30 using the Venn diagram method. I know that some of you are already familiar with the Venn diagram. We often use this when we are about to compare and contrast two things having similarities. In here, we will find the prime factors of 24 and the prime factors of 30 and their similar numbers. Let's begin with 24. What are the factors of 24? Yes, it is 2 times 12. Since 2 is already a prime number, we proceed to the factors of 12, which is 2 times 6. And then the factors of 6 is 2 times 3. So we have 2, 2, and 3, which we will write to the left side of the circle. The next given number is 30. What are the factors of 30? It is 5 and 6. And again, since 5 is already a prime number, we proceed to the factors of 6, which are 2 times 3. And we will have 5, 2, and 3, which we will write to the right side of the circle. And in the middle side of the Venn diagram, we will look for their similar number, which is the 2 and 3. And when we multiply 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Therefore, the GCF of 24 and 30 is equals to 6. That's it for today, class. Do you have any question? Thank you. With that, I will not give you any homework, but I want you to read and study your notes for you to be prepared to the next discussion. Again, my name is Lexley Salonga, and have a good day!